I am Risalinas and I'm going to talk to you about what we saw in the chapter 4. First, we saw the weather, the conditions of the atmosphere including temperature, precipitation, and others. We also saw the climate, average year-to-year conditions of temperature and precipitation in an area over a long time. We also saw microclimates, environment conditions within a small grid that differ scientifically the climate of surrounding area. We also saw the greenhouse effect, a process in which certain gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor trap sunlight energy in Earth's atmosphere as heat. We also saw the tolerance, ability of an organism to survive and reproduce under circumstances that differ their habitat. We also saw NACH, full range of physical and biological conditions in which an organism lives and the way in which the organism uses those conditions. We also saw the competitive exclusion principle. This is a principle that states that no two species can occupy the same niche in the same habitat of the same time. Everystone species. Species that is not usually abundant in a community, yet exist strong control and structure at community. We also saw the symbiosis, relationship in which two species live close together. Then we see the mutualism, that is a relationship in which both species benefit from the relationship of them. We also saw the parasitism, relationship in which one organism lives or inside on another organism and harms it, like some insects or worms. We also saw the communalism, is a relationship in which one organism benefits and the other is neither helped or nor harmed. The next topic we saw was the ecological succession, series of gradual changes that occur in a community following a disturbance. Then we see the primary successions, successions that occur in an area in which no traces are later objected by other organisms. Then we saw pioneer species, first species to populate and rise during successions. We also saw about the secondary successions. This type of succession that occurs in an area was only periodically destroyed by disturbance. We also saw canopy, dense currents formed by the leafy tops of the tall rainforest trees. We also saw humus, material formed decaying levels and other organic materials. Also the taiga, biome with cold winters and a few months of warm water, determined by coniferous evergreens. We also saw permafrost, layer of permanently frozen subsoil found in the forest. We also saw the photic zone, this sunlight region near the surface of water. We also saw the Arctic zone, Arctic level of the oceans that protects zone where sunlight ups and penetrates. And we also saw the plankton. Microscopic organisms that live in aquatic environment include bottom phytoplankton and zooplankton. There are different kind of species. We also talk about the wetlands, ecosystems in which water either covers the soil or is present at or near the surface for at least 4 cut years. Then we saw what are estuaries. This is the last topic of this stage. This is kind of wetland formed where a river meets the ocean.